Does it taste like mango and milk?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Nene, are you happy now? You and your ice candy, Nene. Hi, this is ericrizavlog, and today we are going to make.
Ice candy.
Okay, we are going to make mango ice candy. Okay, so do you want to be in? Eric just came home from work and we're vlogging. Okay, so for those people who are new to our channel, I hope you guys subscribe. If you guys like this kind of content, so I hope you guys subscribe and like. And yeah, so thank you. Okay, because I actually just learned how to make an ice candy, just because lately my sister has been giving Nene an ice candy. I would say it's such a lifesaver, especially if you have like a meeting and you just ask her, do you want ice candy? It's like a magic word, like she'll go and don't bother you for at least half an hour. So
Stop crying.
and stop crying, yeah.
That's a magic trick.
That's a magic trick, yeah.
And same for me. I like it.
Yes. Okay, so so that's why I decided to make my own ice candy, okay? But I'm not sure about you guys, and I'm not sure what is a generic way of making the ice candy. But for my ice candy, wait, Nene, you're gonna fall. Okay, move, Ethan. So for my version of ice candy, I am just same way. I am going to use mango, ripe mango, like the riper the better. And I actually find out that it's a great idea to make ice candy because when you have a mango that's almost going to be too much, too ripe, then you basically just make an ice candy. Instead of the water, I am going to use one bag of milk. Okay, so this is one bag of milk. And I'm also gonna use half of the evaporated milk. So just half of this. Okay, just half. So for one bag of milk, half of this, and 5 mangoes. But again, it depends on you how much mango do you want to put. Okay, so let's start.
Plastic.
Oh yeah, and then we need the plastic. All right, just going to peel the mango as usual. Nene, are you so excited for so many ice candy that we can make?
Me too. So my mom.
Yeah.
Make ice candy.
Yeah, this is your favorite. I'm telling you, like, she got a headache, she got a boo-boo, she got this, and just say ice candy and everything goes away, right, Nene?
Yeah.
Okay, so because I have the Tupperware, I am going to use it for an easy,
Can I do
how do you say that? Mincing. For an easy mincing.
No, you mean mixing.
Misking.
No, it's like stirring.
Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna put all of it in here. Okay, so now we put everything in here. Where's our taklob, Tutoy?
That now,
The taklob of the Tupperware.
I don't know. Use this.
Yeah.
Where?
Okay, so we're just going to mince it all at once. The power of Tupperware, okay?
Can I do?
Teka muna, Tutoy, teka muna. Papaliitin lang ni Mama na konti. Okay? So we're just gonna keep doing it until it's small. Dahan-dahan, remember? So, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
go.
Okay.
Okay, go. Dahan-dahan.
What?
Don't let go. 3, 4, 5. Go more.
6,
7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, so I think we mince our mango very quick. We mince it so fast. Okay, careful. This is a blade. Careful. Sharp. We don't play with sharp. Remember? Okay, so we put it all in our
Yes.
thing. So we just pour it. Just the normal. Just
You forgot some.
Okay. Just put it all in. Then, okay, let's show it, Totoy. Okay, so, okay, yes, and then let's pour in our milk.
No, I wanted to.
Okay, go. Pour it all in. That's it. So the whole milk. Such an easy. Okay, Totoy, wait.
See?
Okay.
Such an easy. I see the little tiny ones.
That's it. So that's our milk. And then, that's that. And then we're gonna put half. Okay, so and that's it. We just have to stir. Okay, is it stirred properly already?
Nope. So you just wait until your mango is not hard.
Okay, so it's like that. So we're now ready to bag the ice candy using these small ones. Not sure if you guys are familiar or has ever seen this kind of plastic. If you guys ever do, please let me know when you guys are seeing it or buying it, because this plastic is actually came from Philippines and I only have few more left. So if you guys know where to buy this kind of plastic, please comment below because I really would like to buy some.
No,
Okay.
I can.
No, ako.
Can
Okay. So the thing is, you want to mix it. Yeah, Tutoy. You want to mix it because you want the mango to be in all of your ice candy. So you just pour it. Okay. Are you pouring it? There. Okay.
There.
Tutoy, wait. Tutoy, move. Let go.
Oh, you need
There.
a mango. Ah!
Yay! Our very own ice candy. Okay. Wait,
Yeah.
anak. Wait, no, we don't need it because you know why? You know why, Totoy? Because we make the mango really, really small.
Ah!
So, but then we might. Okay, so yeah, so you just do like this, and that's it. You got an ice candy. All right.
That's a lot.
Okay.
Yum.
Yeah, you have a nice candy. All
So
right.
now we can eat it. Yum.
Okay, wait, Nene, wait, Eren.
So I'll show you it tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh, not too quick.
Not so quick.
I'm holding the.
So you just keep doing this until I guess finish. And then the thing is, you want to leave like like a little bit of space in here for you guys to be able to pugong, to close it. Yeah, to tie it up. Okay, because it's kind of hard. This is the thing that I don't like about making an ice candy, is to tie it up. There. So really, for those people who doesn't have, I guess, the ice candy plastic, maybe you can put in a popsicle, you know, the popsicle thing? Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna finish this because it's a lot. See, it's a whole lot. So yeah, so like that's our version of ice candy, and in my own opinion, it's a little bit healthier because you know you got the milk, and really the only thing that I'm not so proud about it, like ingredients wise, is the condensed milk. But anyways, it's half of it, and it's not like she's gonna eat the whole thing, but it's something that you can give your child as a treat. We are back. The kids already went outside, and I just finished packing all the ice candy. So, as I said, I love making this ice candy because it really makes Nene happy. But if there's one thing that I don't like about it, is really putting it in this little plastic, because it really takes a lot of time.
But it's good.
So this is how much we made.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nene is so happy. So we're gonna put this in the basement, and this is another one. We're gonna keep it for Nene and Tutoy, and I guess Papa. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So who wants to put it in the fridge? Freezer.
Me.
Okay. Put it in the freezer, and then tomorrow I'll be ready. Okay, guys? Tomorrow I'll be ready. Okay.
Bye.
Bye everybody, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys tried the mixture that I showed you with the milk instead of the water, and I hope you guys like it. Bye.